Hello and welcome back to JVCTR. For those that are new, my name is Johnny and today I wanted to take a look back at everything that's happened on JVCTR over the course of 2018. My own little YouTube rewind, if you like.
There's another side of you trying to break through.
And today we're fitting a C Performance induction kit to a MK8 Fiesta ST.
No one else can see you like I do.
Today I wanted to show you how you can hardwire a dash cam in a MK8 Fiesta ST.
All you ever do is say how far you wanna go.
Today we're in St Albans at SEC Performance to fit some lowering springs.
Every line designed to let me know.
Today, we're taking a look at two of the best small hot hatches currently on the market. Today, we're reviewing a MK8 Fiesta, a car that is somewhat close to my heart. But this time, it's on steroids.
When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand.
Today I wanted to talk you through what's involved with fitting a GPF back exhaust on a Fiesta ST so you can do it at home on your driveway.
So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. Know that you're not blind.
Today is my review of the BMW M240i. So there you have it. That's 2018 on JVCTR. If you like what you saw and you're new around here, feel free to hit that subscribe button and I will catch you in 2019.
There goes a sight from my soul.